In the given question, a binary operation is defined as follows. When P and Q both are true, it is true. When first argument is true and second argument is false, it is true. When first argument is false and second argument is true, then it is false. When first and second both argument are false, it is true. So which one of the following is equivalent to P or Q? Simple way to solve is this: use truth table. Let's it is P, it is Q, true, 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 false, false, true, false, and false. So P or Q is, first one is true, second one is true, third one is also true, false and false, it is false. Now let's check option A, not P, not Q. Not P we will write it is true, here we will write false. It is true, here it will write false. Here it is false, we will write true. Here false, here we will write true. Again Q, it is true, false will come here, false, true will come here. Just reverse. Now first argument is false, second argument is false. Truth table says true. First argument is false, second argument is true. It says false. First is true, second is false. It says true. Both are true. It says true. Truth table is not equivalent to P or Q, so option A is wrong. Now let's check option B. P, this operation, not Q. Not Q is false. Here it is false, there true. Here it is true, here false. Here it is false, here it is true. P we will write the same: true, true, false, false. If first argument is false and second argument is true, result will be false. First is false, second is also false, result is true. First is false, second is true. Both are true, result is true. First is true, second is false, result is true. Yes, this is exactly equivalent. No need to use this. This is exactly equivalent, so option B is correct.